Hi there, coming to you today, going to talk a little bit about iCloud and how you can use that to manage and move around your iLife and iWork documents. I think the best way probably to do this is simply to save your document, like the one I'm working on here in Pages, to wherever you'd like to save it to. I've already done that. Then, when you are finished saving it where you'd like it to be, across the top here you have lots of options and tools. You're going to find the Share option. Go ahead and click Share and share link via iCloud. And I'm going to do that with an email message. iCloud prompts me to move to iCloud. I want to do that, so I'll click there. And it's currently moving that just like you would have saved something to Dropbox or Drive. It's moving it to iCloud. It'll bring up my web browser so that I can email this to whoever I'd like to. I'm going to email it to myself. I could add an additional message here or change the description there, but I'm good with what it says. We'll go ahead and send that. Pulls that back away. Now I'm back in my document. And let's switch to my iPad. We can see here is my document and the link that it's generated. I can go ahead and click that. It's going to open up that document in a web browser, and I'm going to click download here if I'm going to open it on an iPad. It gives me lots of options. I'm going to keep it in the native Pages for right now because I happen to have Pages on my iPad. Go ahead and open that in Pages. And now we can see I have my document and I can start working on that right in Pages. But let's say I don't have Pages and I don't have a document that's already started and I'd like to start a new one. What might that look like with iCloud? And I'm going to create an iCloud keynote this time instead of on my Mac. I'll go ahead and hit New Document now that I have iCloud selected there. I can choose my template just like normal. And I'll put in here what I want it to say and what I want it to look like and work on my document here. And now I'm going to save this. And you'll notice where it wants to save is iCloud. Give it a name just like I normally would. Go ahead and save that. Then I have a couple options. I can come back here to share and share that link via iCloud and email message it to myself. I can send a copy using messages, which we have on our iPads. And I can change the share settings here, allow editing or view only. I'm going to leave that way. Let's go ahead and share that link to ourselves. I'm going to go ahead and send that. And when I switch to my iPad, I have that link right here. This time it's going to be a Keynote. You'll notice it asks me to download again. I can pick Keynote, PDF, PowerPoint. I'm going to pick Keynote because I do have that. If I wanted to open this as a PDF, I could do that in Notability. Go ahead and click Open in Keynote. And now I've got a copy of that right here in my Keynote for iPad. So those are a couple ways you can use iWork and iLife as well as iCloud to help share your documents across your devices. When I'm finished with my document sharing between my different devices, I'll need to move it back to a location that I want to store it. That's very simple. Here I'm back in my Pages document. All I have to do is go to File, Move To, and it's going to have a plethora of locations that I could move it to from basically my last selected locations. Luckily for me right now, that's one where I'd like it to be. iTunes U PV software course. Otherwise, what I'd recommend is move it to your desktop. That's always a place that you're going to have available to you, and then move it where you'd like from there. But I'll choose this location, and then I can go ahead and click move. And that's how you'll need to stop the sharing process from iCloud between your devices. I hope you found this tutorial about iCloud helpful, and thank you for watching.